When people come to visit me in clinic, I will often talk about Advanced Night Repair because it is such a versatile product. The science inside that little brown bottle is built on decades of research into how the skin naturally repairs and renews itself. Estée Lauder scientists looked at over 60 million peptides before selecting the one that went into Advanced Night Repair. That process signals an incredible level of precision and commitment to finding something that truly works. And what I love is that all of that is distilled down into a product that's actually so incredibly easy and effortless to use. While it supports the skin's natural repair and renewal process, it also delivers incredible visible results in terms of firmness, hydration, glow, and the eye lift and sculpt helps to strengthen and fortify that area by supporting visible fatigue around the whole eye area. The science is there, the results are there. And for me personally, I've used it for almost 20 years now, and it's a product that just delivers consistent results.